Salamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Ya sachi ewifo ana kronfo na mokano. Ya sachi kronfo. Monhwe. Ye mo awie ye san hwe. Midnight obi ada. Tama ye sori e bompan mu be wia ye. Motowe mo abe wia. Ni ura we bra Selom. The owner of the motor this. You people can't steal. My brother come. You to what they do you?
They steal my TV, my money, my laptop, my phone, everything.
Rashid they sleep. Me too, you people can't break my this thing, my door. But I never talk anybody because we know say one day we go catch you people. One day we go catch you. See say we catch you. Who say we him? Taka ube hun. Now that's no say who kata we him. Me one say me mbumu omo awia omo say omo bet sorry aba area ha mo awia yesa mo aba wia motowe mo de ko hwetama abo say almost 12 to 1 where I feel go catch you people where you dey jump fence wall to fence wall you be monkey like I no catch you like my people go laugh me. You see, say now you there you the beg. Which area you come from? Mamobi. From Mamobi, you come Abokobi. This midnight, you come somebody in my area. If like right now them kill you where them leave you. Now you give Mamobi people crown. Maybe yourself you know they Mamobi. Area bena uwo. Biewanu Mamobi infa. Mamobi kaukudi tena. She kasani. Kasani baras. Na kasani kina. Kasani kina. Ama tabaras ko de wanungwa. Gaskiya ne kasani. To kasani ka zo har bayan gida na ko sata mutu. You know me where you come at the back of my house. The place where you talk, my area be that too. For Mamobi Nima. Do I touch on those karika? See the stick where them hold. If like you know it be me where I catch you people, with me. I leave what I do where I run where I catch you. See the stick where them hold. See, cutlass, see. Right now, if like I no come inside, them go kill you, leave you where they go talk say Yaku Obimu. Not to know you people can't steal. Why don't we go get something do? Why no? This boy, they are one of my workers. This guy where they stand here, you find pass him, you see him, he tall. He dey part one of my workers. This one too, he dey work give me. Which work you dey do? He be Mason. This one, he be labourer. Yeah. This one too, he never worked for me before, but I don't know. He dey do the work. The construction work we will do for this area inside. This guy too, he be this thing. He be labourer. If work no they will come knock door. Rasta give us something. Why you no go get something chop, something do? Why you no go see how your face do? You see, from the street without the drivers where them they stand, where I catch them no where people if no be sick of me, where I say make them bring them here. Kaga ina kaimai. No, but check I move by. I come in the next come on ganozo. Sana kai kasamu. Come in zona ga ido katash. Temptation Abugashi, I beat you. You see, say I no beat you because I the pity give you. I see say something they worry you people. You understand? Sometimes, if you no get self, you for ask. If you be work, you for come. Everybody they hustle. Everybody they hustle. Everybody they hustle. Now, right now, me, I no go feel release you because this area. Them Lila give we the area boys all. Even me are there inside. This guy, he never know. If something lost for the area, they talk say Ibiam. Selom too. Rashid in something. The talk say Ibiam. So right now we go keep you people till morning. Make area people all come. As they see say it be this guy will take. Oh, it be this. Then they will know say them they come from far. Where they can't do what? They can't steal. I don't make somebody touch you. Well, they don't take me. I don't make anybody touch you. Nobody go touch you. Me, if I finish, I go handle you. Take give the owner of the motor. This guy where you go steal him motor, he be my caretaker. At the same times, my caretaker, where you go steal him motor. Where be me know where I can't catch you. You see God wonders. You see God, you know be lefty. The prayers we they wake up where we they do midnight, it be where they save us. Like we sleep, like you people take us go. So me what I will plead with you people be say, the sticks where you hold, you know be snake. I dey beg you people. Make we exercise patience. Tomorrow morning, then we go talk Rashid because something like this, them they big men where them they our area inside. Then they go know say at least things where they happy for the area inside. We feel catch one of them or two of them. Then everybody go make steady. You understand? Where do you know secrets of this place? See how your eyes do. And they feel give you self. Throw people stand, they go beat you. Motor riders, they go beat you. If no be sick of me. See this guy self. He make a run. All my body, all my skin, see how all my skin all do. Eh? After man will be torn, catch a man will be macabre, man, I lose guard. So my people, how we go do? No, you good. I dey beg, you good. You good. I go give them the room they here, air condition that go on the air condition give them make them sleep. Ni ba yan buga ku, ni kaga na tabaku, ni ba yan buga ku. Ni ba yan tabaku, ni na kama. Salam. You go leave the motorbike for here or how you go do? Huh? Bless your face. You not be me for beg. You for beg the owner of the motor. Me like this, I don't get anything to do with you. And then I'm gonna find. I'm not to know about it. Ni magana za yayi. So now we go do. Me that talk now.
This one, we don't go to leave them. They for break.
They for break. If they break out, then we go call Rashid them still and before. This down there them still and. If you my phone, if you be police station, then you take them go police station. That's all me. I don't get to that. But make people beat them, make them.
That be your work. That be your professional.
That you be your work with that. Eh? You be your work with that. So me, if you not beg me, beg them. So being that, let me try get motor. My motor where it did the middle there. No, my motor where I parked down for there. You people steal me before, but I never talk. You see, say today God catch you. So it be so. So salam tomorrow morning.